I don't want to do any of it, but...
It's time for Recipe of the Week.
All right.
A lot of people have a New Year's resolution to get healthier, maybe even drop a few pounds. So because of that, we're making cabbage soup from the famous cabbage soup diet. Apparently, if you eat this and only this, you lose a lot of weight.
This looks really good.
I mean, it's nice to have a big thing of soup anyway to always be able to put into a cup.
Right, but we don't recommend you eating just this. That's
no. But people do that sometimes for a couple of days because there's so many nutrients.
I think it looks terrific. If we can get it to look like that, let's do it.
It's everything in a pot.
All right, so we're going to start cutting up some stuff, like the cabbage?
Yeah.
Victoria, what a nice head of cabbage you've picked out for us. Thank you.
So you do that. I'll do one yellow onion chopped. So I'll chop the onion.
How much, what do you do here?
You need to
the whole thing?
Well, 4 cups of it, cut into 1-inch chunks.
All right, here we go. We should ask Mark, the cheese guy, to help us.
Because he could be a good chopper.
He knows how to do this. I bet you he knows how to do this.
All right.
Oh boy, we just turned the stove off.
Oh, we did? We have to turn it back on.
Yeah, that's finished.
I'm just gonna try and do the onion as fast as I can and not cry.
Okay, Kara?
It's a lot of chopping. It would be better if you had one of those choppers at home.
I'm just trying to get this. Oh, not supposed to be full leaves.
No, 1-inch chunks.
What? Okay. Kara, the stove isn't working.
Okay, here, power.
Yeah.
Then on, high. Okay, I'm gonna, just so it doesn't burn, I'm gonna put some broth in there while we're chopping. We need 8 cups of vegetable broth.
How much cabbage?
4 cups. 4 cups of cabbage cut into 1-inch chunks.
You know how much 4 cups of cabbage is?
It's a lot. It's a cabbage soup. Now, you could probably chop these onions even better and smaller, but I'm trying to...
You're doing a pretty good job.
I'm trying to just do it fast, so...
You're better than I'm doing over here. All right, so this is, we got a measuring cup. All right, this is at least 2 or 3 cups.
Just gonna put things in as we get it. Just to make some space here.
Does this remind you of anything?
Yes, I shared with Scott a little story that apparently after you have a baby, you need breast milk to go away, you're supposed to use cabbage leaves. He didn't know that.
Now, who on earth would know that?
People who've had babies.
All right, very good. Chopping it up.
I'm trying to... Oh my God!
Are you really crying? Is it really?
A little bit.
I always thought that was a myth.
Try to chop onion really fast? It makes your eyes water. What's the trick about not getting onion to make you cry? What's the trick about that?
I don't know. Martha Stewart knows.
No, but
it's a different network.
I think Chef Plum has told us.
Have you seen her food line, though, by the way? With she's teamed up with another company, and they're delivering home fresh meals now.
No, I haven't seen that. I know she was teaming with Snoop Dogg, and he has a cookbook out.
Markham Market or something like that? I don't know.
All right.
All right. I think
still have to finish chopping this one onion.
Holy macaroni.
You want to go on to the celery and the carrots now?
Yeah, what else is...
You got to just keep chopping. 3 carrots sliced.
3 carrots sliced? All right. Do we need them peeled?
No, don't peel it. Just put it in there.
Adam's saying peel them.
Nobody's got time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that. You got bronchitis.
Just get it all in there. We're gonna have to bring it after we get everything in here. This is basically a dump. After we get everything in here, then we're gonna just dump it in and bring it to a boil. And then you reduce it to heat and you simmer it for 20 minutes. So at the end of the show, we should be able to try it. I'm just gonna do it quick. That's it. So far, the onion is the most labor-intensive part. And you don't care if we have some chunks, right?
No.
In the interest of time. Okay,
use the
so
minced
we've done
garlic.
vegetable broth, we've done onion. Did you do garlic yet?
Nope.
Oh my goodness.
Minced garlic in the jar, what they want us to use.
We can use the minced. Okay. How much garlic? 3 cloves. All right.
The tools
2, 3.
to work with here are just unprecedented.
Okay. All right, we need some
This
salt.
is not a ginzu, that's for certain.
We need some salt, a half a teaspoon of salt.
The carrots are flying. Look at this. Wee, 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 wee. It's like a Space Invaders game.
Ground pepper.
Okay, there we go.
I feel like every time we make a recipe, we buy new spices. How many salt and peppers do we have?
Oh, we have like 90 in there.
All right.
How much time, Jamie?
Salt, pepper,
Is this-
oregano, basil. Okay. We need some oregano, and we need some basil.
How do you stop the carrots from flying? How do you stop the carrots from flying?
There we go. Okay. Wait, what are we missing?
I've created a board. I've created.
Okay, wait, we need more broth and tomatoes.
I've created a hockey block.
Did you do enough cabbage? I don't think you did.
Yeah, we put 3 cups in there. Definitely.
It was 4. We needed
4 cups. Yeah, we're
You
good.
did?
You want more cabbage? You got
It's cabbage soup. All right, ready?
it. Yep.
Dump. Okay.
Yeah, that was
Don't hurt yourself.
Not. I'm good.
Okay. Do we have a spoon or something?
Here, use one of these fake knives.
This is recipe of the week teaches you resilience. You just use what you have.
All right, very good.
Oh, the stove went off again.
Of course it did,
Okay,
because the
hang on.
stove hates us.
Okay, move. Okay, on power boost. We want it boiled,
Okay.
okay? Boiled. Just stir it in there. It's all gonna go. We're going to do a boil, and then we're gonna cook it for 20 minutes until the cabbage and the carrots are tender.
It looks really good. I got to be honest with you. If you can get it over, I don't know. If
You know,
can get it over,
it's just a dump. There you go.
All right, that's recipe
What if
of the
we
week.
eat this all week and see what we do?
I might
how-
eat it
you
today
know.
if it's cooked.
But you have to stay away from people after you eat a lot of cabbage.
Okay. It's